Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of Double Shot with Shot ABC. I'm Dustin.
Hey, I'm Kisa.
And we are going to be mixing up a Long Beach iced tea cocktail to start our weekend off.
Love it.
Yeah, so for this one, you can see the full recipe below, but you're going to need vodka, tequila, rum, and either triple sec or orange liqueur. We're going to be using the orange liqueur. For the vodka, we have Western Sun. It is 10 times distilled, made in Texas. We carry a variety of flavors. They're all really good. My favorite's the raspberry.
Prickly pear. It's amazing.
So good. For this recipe, we're actually just going to be using the plain vodka. So Keisha's going to be mixing up our drink while we talk about it here. Oh, we may have already had one of these. For our tequila, we've chosen Dolce Vita. This is a tequila that is infused with lime. They make a lime, they make grapefruit, they make pineapple jalapeno.
It's really good. The pre-mixed margaritas are really good.
It is, especially I love the watermelon.
Yeah, amazing.
So we actually do a lot of tastings with these brands. So follow us on Instagram, check out our Instagram stories, and keep up with when we're actually doing tastings. You can try it for free. Kisa has poured 1 ounce of the Western Sun, 1 ounce of the Dolce Vita. So now comes our rum. This is Kula brand rum. It is really good. It's made in Hawaii with organic sugarcane. This is the original rum, but they have a toasted coconut, and they also have a dark rum.
That's so good. It's good over ice.
It's really good.
It is.
We do tastings with this brand also, and they also make a really good vodka called Ocean. If you've been in our stores, you've probably seen it. It comes in a really pretty blue bottle, so check that out as well. So Kisa put 1 ounce of the Kula rum, and then we're going to be using our orange liqueur. It is an Iran hop, and it is also made by the Dolce Vita brand, and I love this. Anytime a recipe calls for triple sec, I sub it out with the orange liqueur and Iran hop, just because it has such a good crisp orange flavor.
It is. It's really good.
It is, and I top my Cosmos off with this. You can put it in your margarita. Definitely check this one out. So she is also going to be squeezing in some lemon juice into our shaker. So for the recipe, you're just going to mix the ingredients you listed with the lemon juice. Yum. Pour it in your glass. Our drinks turn out a little clear. But you are going to also use cranberry juice to top it off. Give it a really pretty pink color. You use any brand of cranberry juice. We've chosen Ocean Spray, I believe.
I'm going to give you a pink color.
Oh, just trying to get me drunk. So to garnish our drink, we are using lemon wedges, and we're going to use fresh mint from the garden.
Is this from your garden?
It's from our garden.
I know it.
We love the mint. And then we are going to take it to the next level, Kisa, with a Western Sun popsicle.
Oh, yes, we are.
She forgot about the popsicle. Western Sun makes popsicles. We carry them in the regular, and then we also have a low-calorie option. This one is the screwdriver. That's a really pink or orange flavor to our pink cocktail here. It's good. Oh, she got a strong one. Long Beach iced tea, y'all.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, Dustin, that's so good.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty too. You can have this at your party, cocktail party, whatever.
Pool party, whatever.
Pool party. So anytime you're in our stores, make sure to ask for a drink card. It has a seasonal drink recipes listed. The Long Beach iced tea cocktail is listed here. There's a margarita, just different ones. We change them up each season. So always get one of these, check them out. And then make sure to come check us out. Come see Kisa and I. We have 3 locations, Pelham Road in Greenville, 850 East Sioux Road in Greer, and the newest location,
1400 West Georgia Road.
yeah, Simpsonville. So come check us out, y'all. Cheers. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.